back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you the smoky blue date night look. Let me know how you guys feel about it in the comments. Also, subscribe to my channel. So many of you watch my videos but are not subscribed. And don't forget to like this video as well, so I know that you guys enjoy the video. And let's get right into the look. Already starting off with my brows done, I'm going to take my Instant Age Rewind concealer and use this to prime my lids for my eyeshadow. I'm also going to set my lids with some loose setting powder just so they don't crease. Going in with my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, the first shade I'm going to use is Chip, and Chip is going to be the main crease color. I'm just going to use buns to blend out Chip, kind of wing it out a little bit. Now this really pretty blue shade is called Twerk, and I'm just going to use this all over my lid, and then I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush and just kind of blend it in a little bit and just make it look more clean. Going back in with Chip, I'm going to use it to just smoke out my lash line and take it and kind of wing it out a little bit. For my face, I'm going to kind of stick with the basics of what I do, so with my everyday routine. So I'm not really going to explain a lot with this. I just want to kind of focus on the eye look. But if you guys want to see my everyday routine, I'll leave that video up in the eye for you guys. Back in the palette, I'm going to take Chip and just smoke out my lower lash line, and then take Twerk and press that on my lash line. For my inner corner, I'm going to use Hustle, and I'm also going to use this on my brow bone. For highlighter, I'm going to use this Urban Decay highlighter in Sin. That's it for this quick, easy, smoky blue look for date night or wherever you're going. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next video.